Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to toggle your social channels in a social campaign. I'm going to skip ahead to the review and edit step in a social campaign I created earlier. Once you get to this point, you will see all the social channels you have connected to your Boma account. You can toggle each channel by simply clicking the tick box on the left of the channel. If you would like to turn it back on for this post, you can click the tick box again. If you would like to learn more about toggling channels, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or chat to us using the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.